Is your notification not showing in your Apple Watch? This can happen due to incorrect settings, connection issues, or focus mode being enabled. In this video, I'll show you how to fix notifications not showing on your Apple Watch. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure these basic settings, single tap on the power button, make sure that your do not disturb mode is turned off, then scroll down a little bit, make sure to turn off silent mode as well. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. First of all, open up the Settings app, tap Notifications, then toggle on the Notifications indicator. Scroll down and turn on all the options here. And then tap Show Notifications on wrist down. Now make sure to enable Show Notifications from here. Solution 2. Allow notifications on iPhone. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit. Tap on Notifications. Scroll down again. And find the app that you want to get notifications from. Like Message. Tap on it. Now simply toggle on the Allow Notifications options. Solution 3. Update your software. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. If you're still facing the same problem, then follow my next solution. Solution 4. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase all. Now your Apple ID will be signed out. And that's all. That's how you can fix the notification issue on your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.